The psychology of money. Understanding your relationship with wealth and success. Money, as the saying goes, makes the world go round. But it's not just about its economic role. Money also affects our emotions, actions, and thoughts. To understand the psychology of money, we need to explore how our beliefs, experiences, and hidden attitudes influence our financial choices and our overall view of wealth and success. The roots of financial beliefs. Our views on money often start in childhood. The environment we grow up in, our parents' attitudes towards money, and the financial situations we see all shape how we think about money. For example, if a child grows up in a home where money is always a worry, they might develop a fear of never having enough. On the other hand, a child from a wealthy background might see money as plentiful and feel more secure about it. These early experiences create strong beliefs about money that last into adulthood. For instance, someone who heard their parents argue about money might avoid talking about it, leading to poor financial habits and reinforcing negative beliefs. Money and self-worth. Money is often seen as a measure of how valuable someone is in our society. People tend to think that if they have a lot of money, it means they're successful and worthy. So, many chase after money not just for comfort or opportunity, but to feel respected and important. But going after money all the time can have its problems. It might make people stressed, make them work too much, or even make them do things they don't feel good about. When we tie our self-worth to how much money we have, money troubles can really hurt how we see ourselves. That's why it's important to know that our value isn't just about money. Learning to separate who we are from how much money we have helps us have a healthier relationship with money. It means we can appreciate ourselves for who we are, no matter how much money we have. This way of thinking helps us handle money better and feel happier, even if we don't have a lot of money. The emotional spending trap. Our emotions greatly influence how we spend money. Shopping to feel better, known as retail therapy, is common. While buying something new can temporarily boost our mood, it often leads to regret and financial stress, creating a cycle. Feelings like stress, sadness, and boredom can trigger impulsive spending. The first step to healthier financial habits is recognizing these emotional triggers. Instead of using money to manage emotions, finding other ways to cope like exercise, hobbies, or socializing can reduce emotional spending and improve financial health. The role of financial literacy. Financial literacy is crucial in shaping how we handle money. Knowing basic financial principles like budgeting, saving, and investing helps people make smart decisions and avoid mistakes. However, many lack financial education and rely on intuition or poor advice. Boosting financial literacy can make money management easier and less scary. With the right knowledge, people can set achievable financial goals, plan for the future, and feel more in control of their finances. This control is key to having a healthy relationship with money, wealth, success, and happiness. The link between wealth and happiness is complicated. Financial security can bring comfort and reduce stress, but beyond a certain point, more money doesn't significantly boost happiness. Research shows that experiences, not material things, contribute more to lasting happiness. Experiences often involve social interactions and personal growth, fulfilling deeper needs than just accumulating wealth. Chasing wealth should align with personal values and passions to truly enhance well-being. Success measured only by money can feel empty if it sacrifices relationships, health, or personal fulfillment. Knowing what truly brings joy can help people aim for a more balanced and satisfying definition of success. The fear of wealth. While many desire wealth, some also fear it. This fear can come from guilt, fear of responsibility, or anxiety about losing wealth. Some worry that money will change their relationships or draw unwanted attention. Others fear they won't manage their wealth well and could end up worse off. Overcoming the fear of wealth requires introspection and sometimes professional help. Understanding why this fear exists can help individuals develop a healthier attitude towards money and embrace financial opportunities without unnecessary worry. Building a healthy money mindset, creating a positive relationship with money, takes conscious effort. Here are some strategies to develop a healthy money mindset. Self-awareness. Regularly reflect on your financial beliefs and habits. Identify negative patterns and understand where they come from. Financial education. Continuously improve your financial knowledge. This helps you make better decisions and feel less anxious about money. Goal setting. Set clear and realistic financial goals. Break them into small steps to make progress manageable and rewarding. Emotional management. Be aware of the emotions that influence your spending. Find healthier ways to cope with emotions without spending money. Value alignment. Make sure your financial goals match your personal values and passions. This leads to a more fulfilling pursuit of success. Seek support. Don't hesitate to get help from professionals or support groups. Financial advisors, therapists, and support networks can offer valuable guidance and reassurance. The impact of cultural and societal influences. Our views on money come from our culture and society. Some places value wealth, while others value modesty and saving. These beliefs shape how we earn, spend, and save money from a young age. Social pressures also influence our spending habits. Wanting things like a house or a fancy car can lead to overspending and debt. Trying to keep up with others can make us overly focused on money, ignoring important things like relationships and happiness. Psychological barriers to wealth accumulation. Even if we want to save money, our minds can sometimes get in the way. Deep down, we might feel like we don't deserve to have money or worry that we'll fail if we try to save. Plus, our brains can trick us into making bad choices, like only thinking about the short term instead of planning for the future. Sometimes, we have sneaky thoughts about money that hold us back without us even realizing it. For example, we might always feel like there's never enough money, so we hold onto it too tightly instead of using it to grow. Or we might have ideas in our head, like thinking money is bad, or that it's the answer to all our problems. Overcoming psychological barriers. To get past these mental blocks, we need to do a few things. First, we have to be aware of our thoughts and how they affect our actions. Then, learning more about money and how to manage it can help us make better decisions. It's also important to change the way we think about ourselves and our abilities. Believing that we can grow and learn can help us feel more confident about handling money. Using tricks from therapy, like changing how we see things and setting goals we can actually reach, can also make a big difference. And if we're really struggling, talking to someone who knows about money or our feelings can give us the support and guidance we need to get back on track. Understanding how we think about money is essential for financial health and success. Our background, feelings, and society influence our views on money. By recognizing these factors and developing a positive money mindset, we can make better and more satisfying financial choices. A balanced view of money results in better finances and greater happiness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.